Hey YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate destination for the latest trends and style tips. Today we are diving into the world of stiletto high heel sandals, the footwear that instantly adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outfit. Stilettos are more than just shoes, they are a statement. Whether you are strutting through city streets or attending a glamorous event, these heels give you confidence, elevate your look, and add that perfect touch of chic. But what is it about stilettos that makes them so iconic? Let's start with the heel itself. The slam high heel elongates your legs, giving you that graceful state equence appearance. They are often seen as the epitome of femininity, and let's not forget the power they hold in fashion history. Stilettos have graced the red carpet fashion runways and been a symbol of bold, confident women. But stilettos are not just about looks, the craftsmanship behind each pair is incredibly from sleek leather finishes to intricate straps. Designers are pushing boundaries, coming out with comfort. Modern stiletto sandals come in a variety of materials: suede, patent leather, even vibrant metallics. Some even feature embellishments like gemstones, feathers, or sleek metallic hardware, ensuring there's a style for every fashionista. Stiletto sandals are the perfect accessory for any wardrobe. Pair them with a sleek cocktail dress for a night out, or elevate your favorite jeans and blazer for an effortlessly chic daytime look. And of course, they are a must for those warm summer evenings when you want to show off your pedicure and feel fabulous. Now let's talk comfort. Yes, you heard that right. While stilettos may have a reputation for being a bit tricky to walk in with the right fit and posture, you can glide graceful. Pro tip: always look for padded insoles and adjustable ankle straps. They not only add comfort but also ensure a secure fit, making your walk all the more confident. Walking in stiletto takes a bit of practice, but once you have mastered it, the world is your runway. Keep your posture straight, take small steps, and make sure the heel hits the ground first. Then you are set for a stylish start. So, whether you are attending a fancy dinner or wedding, or simply want to add a pop of glamour to your everyday look, stiletto high heel sandals are the perfect choice. Embrace the power, the elegance, and the confidence they bring. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more fashion tips and style inspiration only on Fashion Forward. And remember, fashion is more than just clothing. It's an expression of who you are. See you next time, inshallah.